In this guide, we're going over how to create and join a private server to join friends here in Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and leave the game and you need to back out and go to the Roblox game page. So back out of the game itself, go to the game page. It'll look something like this for you. What you need to do is then just scroll down until you see a tab that says servers on here. Select that and it'll redirect you to a page that looks something like this, where you could see that you could actually create a private server for completely free. So select create one for free, then gonna load. You're going to want to hit this like little pencil icon once yours does load, and you need to tick on a few things. I'd recommend putting friends allowed on here, and then for server members, just go through and search for whatever user of your friend it is that you want to hit add on, and then hit add, and then of course they'll be able to join. You could also hit generate link, and then of course copy this link, which of course you guys can use as well if you're watching this video. But as soon as you go ahead and do that, make sure you have allow joining turned on, back out, and then you'll be able to join, and of course you'll be good to go from there. You can only create one private server per account, otherwise it's going to require Robux, but that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.